in fact, there is an excessive concentration in the hands of the Chief Minister. Anik, I lost count when I started counting 48 demands. Munje, Mukhel Mantri has got a golden crown with 52 portfolios. 2 मिनिट्या पासवलेल्या 2 और लागतली स्पीकर एक पोर्टफोलियो. पण सुरुवातेक एक हिंदीन कविता मुख्यमंत्री कविताचे नाव मैग्निफिसेंट मे. घर का पंखा ऑफिस की फाइलें, घर का पंखा ऑफिस की फाइलें, सबकी उलझने सबकी माइलें, सबकी मुसीबत का मैं ही तो हल हूं. हाँ मैं कर लूंगा, अरे मैं कर लूंगा. सब काम की जिम्मेदारी मैं ही तो भर लूंगा. मेरी गर्दन पर सबकी तलवार है, मैं अकेला ही सुपरस्टार है. स्पीकर सर, आज जे मुख्यमंत्री अनेक हुई एक उर्दून शायरी. स्पीकर सर, तेरी मजबूरियां दुरुस्त मगर, तेरी मजबूरियां दुरुस्त मगर, तूने वादा किया था याद तो कर. स्पीकर सर, इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे 25-26 अनेक और डॉक्यूमेंट जरी तो आम्ही चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर, दिस इज अ
मैंने वादा किया था वो भी निभाया है स्पीकर सर. इट इज एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट हैड गिवन सो दैट वादा किया था वो निभाया है.
सर लेट मी मैं तू दी मारे पहिलो आंसर को था मैं तू मुले. स्पीकर सर, द इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे रिपोर्ट इज नॉट merely a document of numbers, but Speaker sir, it is a mirror of the direction in which the state is moving. And Jannami, carefully when we look at this survey, one uncomfortable truth emerges, and that, Speaker sir, is that Goa's economy today is growing in numbers, but its foundation is becoming weaker. Because the growth that we see today is not a balanced growth. Other Speaker sir, Zoritor Goenchi economy choilar, the economy survey clearly tells us ki je primary sector asa, खास करून they contribute only 5.74% to the gross state domestic product. Intun agriculture, fisheries and mining together contribute just 6% because of our economy. Let us think about this very carefully. Ajitli generation, amche rural Goa, je agriculture, fishing and traditional livelihood astane. Today, the entire economy has been reduced to less than 6%. And this is something that is absolutely shocking. Yet the government keeps on talking about Swayam-Purna. Agriculture contributes barely 5%. How is Goa Swayam-Purna? Ye Mukhel Mantri namka sangpak zain. Because this is the slow disappearance of rural Goa and an attack on our occupations and livelihood. Ana, it has been shown that this growth will be driven by mining. Speaker sir, Zoridor Ami 21-22, if you see, it was minus 13%. Suddenly it rises to 16.72% in 24-25. Why? Not because of the new agriculture policy, not because Shetkar are prospering, not because mining has started. Speaker sir, so the government should be honest. And if, because of these growth numbers will collapse, that means the economic story of Goa is still dependent on one single volatile sector. And tourism, Speaker sir, tourism seems to be dominating the economy. Survey has revealed that a tertiary sector now contributes, Speaker sir, to 43.5% of our economy. Numbers the numbers in 2021 tourist 3.3 million je pad ashille. Sarkar figure dita 10.8 million tourists in 2025. But this is an important fact, Speaker sir. 95% je tourist eta Goyan te sogle domestic tourist. Only 5% of the tourists are foreign tourists. Speaker sir, ye खूब important issue. This is a worrying cause of concern. आणि सरकाराचे म्हाका दिसता हे जे नंबर दिलेले आहे खास करून इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट हे गोंयांत येता. टुडे we are entirely dependent on domestic tourists. And an economy today, Speaker sir, when we are talking about tourism, entirely the state of Goa is backbone asa. What has happened in Gulf? Tourism today, when सुरवातेक सकाळच्या वेळार आमी सांगलेले आसा जे LPG चे प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक जाला. It has been done in Bangalore. Mukhyamantri is aware. He is aware of the problem that are faced and it is going to see in the future. But whether Goa is prepared, Bangalore has said that it is going to be a crisis. Chennai has said that it is going to be a crisis. Mumbai has said it is going to be a crisis. After Chief Minister, Maka dista one global shock, one crisis, and the entire economy will basically feel the impact. Ada Mukhyamantri je figure dila about high income, but unequal growth. And when I say high income and unequal growth, जे सर्वे झालेली आसा खास करून 21-22 in this year because of 5,19,000 the government talks about the per capita income as 5,19,000 in 21-22 and 22-23 it went to 6,19,000. 24-25 it went to 7,09,000. Other Speaker sir, the question we must ask is Mukhyamantri Sodanch per capita income चे उलयता. आता मुखेलमंत्री हे माशे आयक आनी हेजेर माशे तूं म्हाका जबाब दी की तूं जे पण सांगता की आता तूं सांगला 8 lakhs per capita income. आता 8 lakhs per capita income जाल्यार 40% गोंयच्या पॉप्युलेशनाक बेनिफिशरी थ्रू स्कीम्स एंड सोशल वेलफेअर कितको तूं दिता आनी कित्याक दिता? तूं जेन्ना म्हणटा 8 lakh per capita 40% population is getting social welfare scheme benefits. So something is wrong in the system. Speaker sir, how do we explain this? Kityak migration jata, goinkar kityak goy soon, dusre jagyar veta. Why are regarding employment? Who is benefiting, Speaker sir, from this growth? When I talk about this growth, statistics show prosperity, Speaker sir, but the reality on the ground is something else. We look at the industrial investment. Anna, the banks in Goa hold about 1,29,000 crores in deposits. Very important. Munche, je loan asa, a loan is given to only 43,784 crores rupees in the state of Goa. This means je credit deposit ratio aha. War credit deposit ratio is just at 33.68%. Meaning in simple terms, because here in Goa people are saving money, but this money is not invested in Goa, in Goa's industries or businesses. The capital is leaving the state. Instead of creating jobs here, people are taking away the money. So, Speaker sir, this clearly shows that our industrial economy is weak. Speaker sir, जे fiscal deficit जे board Mukhyamantri figure दिलेले हा 2,826 crores. What does this show? जे revenue receipt Mukhyamantri सांगलेले हा 22,703 crores. म्हणजे while you are celebrating your economic growth, it continues to run under a significant deficit. Speaker sir, आज ये growth जे जाता आमच्या state and it is funded by borrowing and it cannot be sustained in the long run. आज गोंयचे, this is a warning for Goa's future. The economic survey is very, very clear कि गोंयची economy which rests on 3 pillars, खास करून tourism, mining and services. But Speaker sir, आज जोरी तो चल्यार agriculture, शेती जे आमचे शेतकार हा ये शेती देंवत आसा, industry गोंयांत विकन जायत आसा आणि investment is leaving the state. If we do not correct this consequence, this imbalance now, Speaker sir, this consequence will be serious. Investment Promotion Board, Speaker sir, we are only provided figures. When we talk about Investment Promotion Board, lakhani square meter zomin, je lakhani square meter zomin, Speaker sir, baile munis येता घेता, कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट म्हणून दाखवून दिता, हजारांनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट म्हणून दाखवून दिता, तितूंतल्यान कितले गोंयकार एम्प्लॉयड झालेले आसा हे फिगर म्हाका दिसता there is no data available. Without figures, these approvals seems to be only a window dressing. आता आणि मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगता जे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डा नावान भायले म्हणजे प्रायव्हेट एरियांत इंडस्ट्री भायर पासून फिश मिलाचे परमिशन दिला. हे फिश मिल आणि हे सगळे जे पड युनिट येता खास करून कुंकोडे मुखेलमंत्री आसता म्हाका दिसता आय विल बी हियर फॉर सेंच्युरी स्पीकिंग ऑन दिस आय डोंट नो. जे फिश मिल हिंगा आता येता इन प्रायव्हेट एरिया ते रद्द जावपाक जाय. सारखे परमिशन ना. स्पीकर सर, आज जेन्ना वी टॉक अबाउट द पब्लिक डेट एस्केलेशन खास करून 35,312 crores म्हणजे 9 वर्सांनी डबल झालेले आसा. डबल जे 16,000 कोटी आशिल्ले ते 35,000 crores झालेले आसा. म्हणजे हायर debt means the budgets in the future must pay more interest. हेच पैसे जरी तर आम्ही इस्कॉलान घातलेले, रस्त्यान घातलेले, वेलफेअर प्रोग्रामान घातलेले हे जायना. स्पीकर सर, जे जाता इज बेसिकली when the concern that the chief minister needs to understand is that when this debt is going to grow faster than the genuine productive investment, this creates pressure for future budgets. Speaker sir, the most dangerous aspect of this government is that it has to put up in place for redemption of public debt. मुखेलमंत्री स्पीच इन केन्ना सांगना की आपण हे रीण उमके समाज रेव्हेन्यू उमके रीण हे करपाक सोदता म्हणून. तो सांगतालो सुरवातेक सकाळी 60 वर्सांनी आपण फ्रीडम फायटराच्या भुरग्यांक कामां दिला म्हणून. बरें आसा, पूण स्पीकर सर मुखेलमंत्रीच्या टेन्युरान इतले रीण 60 वर्सां केन्ना आसूंक नाशिल्ले. हे रीणूय वाडोवन मुखेलमंत्री आनी ह्या सरकारान केलेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, गोवा just does not need an economic growth. It needs a balanced growth. And when I say that, we must look beyond headlines, we must look beyond tourism, because jenna ek economy jari tor survey kali and itself is showing something very important. These numbers, it shows that the government has ignored the farmer, has ignored the fisherman, and these industries cannot be built by itself. Now, Speaker sir, budgetache jenna uletna, how do I describe this budget? This is the most concluding budget of this session. An election budget, a catalog of appeasement, a political advertisement. Speaker sir, into सगळे दिसता. But yes, सगळे पण announcement जे पण budgetan दिलेले आहा, without effective backing of resources and funds. Speaker sir, this budget is going to remain on paper. ह्या कित्याक म्हणटा Speaker sir, फायनान्स मिनिस्टरान दूध आनी हानी लोकांक प्रॉमिस केलेले आहा, पण दूधसागर पड आहा or is running dry. म्हणजे दूध and honey दिवप, दूधसागर is running dry. Speaker sir, if you look at the broad financial indices, when I say that the figures and the total receipt project is projected at 29,181 crores, yet the basic services remain deficient. Total expenditure today, Speaker sir, as per the figures, are pegged at 30,195 crores. Meaning the expenditure is exceeding your receipts. GSDP, the Honorable Chief Minister has projected it as 1,31,000 crores. And here per capita income at 8.18 lakhs. Munchiya Speaker sir, this is nothing but more a measure of disparity income. Speaker sir, revenue surplus. आता सदांच मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा, आजूय म्हणटलो आणि आन्सरूय कितें दिता तो सांगता की सदांच 3 वर्सां आपण रेव्हेन्यू सरप्लस आसलो म्हणून. रेव्हेन्यू surplus is projected at 1,666. This is nothing but a paper surplus. हे कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर? बिकॉज बजेटाचे फुल एलोकेशन मुखेलमंत्री करिना. This happens due to surrender of the allocated funds to the departments. Thus, he claims the revenue surplus, and this revenue surplus is nothing but hollow. It is a fiction rather than reality. Fiscal deficit, ye Mukhyamantrin figure dilele ha, is estimated at 3,895. And what is a budget document? Speaker sir, budget document म्हणटाय ते एक serious financial document. इंतून शेती खात्याक, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक, एड्युकेशनाक, सोशल वेलफेअराक सारखे allocation जावपाक जाय. But budget should also encourage investment and growth. जेन्ना हांव म्हणटा investment and growth, this has to be with stability. एक fiscal prudence. Today there is a financial crisis. आज जे मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा की fiscal deficit 3% aha म्हणून within the FRBM norms. I remember my first speech as an MLA, and at that time I had pointed out that there is violation of the FRBM. Figures were manipulated. At that time, several MLAs were questioning me, why are you speaking on figures? And this was at that time the violation I sanglale. Aaj Mukhel Mantri is accepting, at least today, and CAG has pointed out that from 2020, for the last 5 years, 34.63%, and he has brought it down now to 27.05%. He's brought it down, but still we are in a violation. So, Speaker Sir, this budget is a budget of announcement. There is no outcomes. Year after year, the government is announcing schemes. Those schemes, because of new slogans. And budgets today must be judged by promises. Must not be judged by promises, but by performance. How kidak munta, Speaker Sir? Token and notional provision kelele ha. This is like peanuts and chicken feed. The provisions that are being made for the new schemes. Example, 4 lakh announced for MSME as incentives to boost exports. 5 lakh annual subsidy for the first 10 industrial units that provide 50 jobs to go on. Speaker sir, aaj ye sagle zoritor chaylyar, they are peanuts and chicken feed. If we look at the education and skill development, ana ya departmentank substantial allocation kelele ha, they are marked increase there is, but however ye education and skill development ache coordination sarke jaina, there is no measuring rod of outcomes. सदांच मुख्यमंत्री सुरवातेचो म्हणटा स्किलिंग, रिस्किलिंग, अपस्किलिंग. आमी पयले आमदार जाले त्या टायमार दिसताले सारखे सगळे सारखे जातले म्हणून इतले सात ते भाशेन म्हणटा ते भाशेन स्किलिंग, रिस्किलिंग, अपस्किलिंग. स्पीकर सर, आज सरकारा कडेन सारखे डेटा ना, सारखे फिगर ना on the persons that have been employed after this skill development. Speaker sir, same stories on education. Here there is no feedback on the outcomes, khas करून learning and the employment. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता खरेंच आमी जरी तर स्वयंपूर्ण ह्या सेक्टरान कोतले जाल्यार लोकांले वेज अर्निंग्स, एम्प्लॉयमेंट आनी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटीचेर गरज आहा आमी लक्ष घालपाक हे सरकाराचें ना. स्पीकर सर, हेल्थाचेर जेन्ना आमी उलयतना, हेल्थाचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर जेन्ना आमी उलयता, just by raising hardware means infrastructure does not ensure healthcare. Today there is a complete collapse in the primary health sector, in the CHCs, in the tertiary health sector. Because this is a picture because there is inadequate medical personnel, there is inadequate sarke nursing na, medicine na, complete disconnect. Because last 3 budgets, सरकारान फोकस कितें केलेलें आसा, जे आमचे टर्शरी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जावं GMC इंचेर चड फोकस घातलेलो आसा. नो डाउट इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, बट आमचे PHCs, CHCs, UHCs, they are crumbling, they are like ticking bombs. जे रिफरल आज ज्या पद्दतीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान जे जाता, जे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांक साऊथ गोवाचे, नॉर्थ गोवाचे, तुवें, पोंडा, ये सगळे हॉस्पिटलाचे स्ट्रक्चर फेल झालेले आसा. They were basically when a patient, most of these patients today are referred to GMC. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आज हेल्थाचे डिमांडाच्या वेळार फाल्यां उलयतलो इन डिटेल, बट खूब गरज आसा. जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रॉमिस केलेलें ते कांयच ऑन द ग्राउंड थिंगा दिसना. स्पीकर सर, ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट this does not seem to be, there seems to be no focus. When I say no focus on employment, Speaker sir, जे फक्त आमकां फिगर दिलेले हा, ग्रोथ दिलेले हा. आता पयर सांगला की जे हांवें सांगला अबाउट इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड, इतली जमीन, lakhs of square meters of land has been given, but how many Goans are employed? ते सांगता इतले हजारांनी कोटी येयले म्हणून. Do you have a figure how many projects have come on board? Because we expect seriousness on this. I congratulate the Chief Minister on Goa Staff Selection Commission. He established this for recruitment in the government process. But Speaker, म्हाका दिसता एक independence दिसपाक institution, you are going to give those job letters. personally you are handing over. Maga dista, there has to be some independent and transparent working. Yes, there is merit, but you need to look into that aspect as well. Speaker sir, आज जेन्ना आमी database उलयता about the employment, गोंयांत कितले unemployed youth आसा? You talk about to staff selection, you said 2,500 vacancies, another 2,500 vacancies already advertised. But lakhani aaj yuvak goinkar aaj bekar asa. Do you have any mechanism to know the skill sets where the local manpower is short? The government should basically declare and implement a pro-Goan employment policy in the private sector. आज स्पीकर जेन्ना आमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंटाचे उलयले, आता सरकाराचो प्लॅन जे फिगर जे पडटे दिता, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जे पड लिंकेज जावपाक जाय टू दीज IDC प्लॉट्स बाय क्लियरन्सीस ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड, जे लोन्स आणि एडवांसेस हॅव बीन गिवन टू EDC. Can the government provide us figures of the investment? Can they provide us how many projects have started on the ground? Speaker sir, how much employment has this generated? Khas karun kitle goinkar. Aaj it is said that 31 projects are going to be is got approval and 4,500 jobs. This is nothing, Speaker sir, but an eyewash. How much investment really came? How much employment is going to be generated? Which units are actually in operation today? Whether this is looking only as a land resource model, this is what is looking. Khas करून आमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाचेर उलयतना हे दिसता स्पीकर सर. आज MSMEs जे पडे हा, they are no doubt they are best suited for our state, but the government today, Speaker sir, should work on ease of doing business. When I say ease of doing business, whether incentives are provided as required, there should be regularization, should be transparent registration and allotment of industrial plots. There are so many queries day in, day out on the allotment of these plots. They have potential, Speaker sir. No doubt, amka ye generate korpak employment, but hui na hui, Speaker sir, aaj फक्त name change करून budgeta name Department of Industries to Department of MSME समज आमी नाव change केले. Speaker sir, can just a change in the name, just a change in the name of the board address the issues of MSMEs? Speaker sir, याच सरकारान जे ओल्ड पार्लिमेंट आशिल्ले तेका संविधान भवन म्हळे, पण संविधान हाची हत्या आज ज्या भाशेन गोंय जाता, देशभर जाता. कितें चेंज जालें स्पीकर सर? स्पीकर सर, राजभवनाचे नाव लोकभवन केलें.
स्पीकर सर,
आज
संविधानाची हत्या खंय जाला तरी ते दाखोवन दिवचे. वगीत कितें उलोवचो न्ही. तेका संवय जाल्ली आहा. बडबडी जाता.
लोक प्रोटेस्ट करता, लोकांक प्रोटेस्ट करपाक सरकार दिना.
लोकांक प्रोटेस्ट करपाचो रायट आसा. ही संविधानाची हत्या न्ही. संविधानान तेका अधिकार दिला.
सर, जेन्ना
लोकांनी
लोक
प्रोटेस्ट करा म्हणजे संविधानाची हत्या. खंय संविधानाची हत्या जाला ते सांगून दिली.
आमचो रायट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उलोवपाक.
आमी तोच म्हणटा मरे हत्या खंय जाली तर. वगीत कितें सांगता?
स्पीकर सर,
खंय जाली हत्या?
लोक म्हणटा
संवय जाला फक्त पुस्तक सांगित भोंवता. संविधान हत्या, संविधान हत्या, संविधान हत्या. ते पुस्तकूय संविधानाचें न्हू.
स्पीकर सर, जब
हय संविधान हत्या काडून उडयच वाटतो.
Speaker sir, today there is a murder of democracy.
स्पीकर सर, परतूय तो तेच उलयता. तेका संवय जाल्ली आसा. तेणी दाखोवन दिवचें, प्रूव्ह करचें.
Speaker sir, today there seems to be it is a
वगीत
right.
उलोव नाका, प्रूव्ह कर.
प्रूव्ह कर. अरे प्रोटेस्ट जाताय लोक.
प्रोटेस्ट जाता हो अधिकार तेका संविधानान दिल्लो हा प्रोटेस्ट करपाक.
आमदारा ओडून स्टेप्सांतल्यान ओडून हाडय. ते सारको अधिकारू. आनी तूं ओडून हाडलो जाल्यार तुका लायक जावपाचें. तू ओडून हाडलो जाल्यार स्टेप्सांतल्यान.
सर, आमदाराक ते रिक्वेस्ट कर केली. रातभर जर एखादा भायर सराना आसत.
पुलीस येले, पुलीस येले आनी ओडून केले. हो सारको रायट हो.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
स्पीकर सर, हे म्हाका दिसता कित्याक टिकट लागता ते प्रोटेस्ट करप बरें. तुमी प्रोटेस्ट केल्ले 2010 तुमी प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो. त्या वेळार तुमकां हे भाशेन केल्ले. स्पीकर सर, ते तुमकां राय 27च्यान तुमचो टाइम तो करपाक. 27च्यान तुमचो टाइम प्रोटेस्ट करपाचो. कांयच बी नाका. स्पीकर सर,
एप्रिशिएटेड स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन, पण भाषणां भायर जी दिता आमी पावर आयले आमी कॅन्सल करतले स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन. दिस इज नथिंग बट डबल स्टँडर्ड. अशेंच तेजे संवय जाल्ली आसा.
कोणान सांगला कॅन्सल
भायर उलयता मरे तूं.
कोण हांव
तुझे स्पीचीस.
Please
Staff
continue.
Selection Commission.
Honorable LOP.
Because please expunge that. I never made a statement.
Ask him.
I never made a statement about Staff Selection Commission. Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me.
continue.
I congratulated the Chief Minister even last year. I'm on record.
Why?
Please don't put words in my mouth. हे कोणान सांगितलं तुका एअर हॉस्टेलान सांगितलं हांव उलयलो म्हणून तू
Please
एअर
continue.
हॉस्टेसागे आयकून येता
Honorable
हांगा
LOP.
सांगो थिंगा. तू थिंग भायल्या
Yuri Alemao.
हांगा सांगोता
Please continue.
थंय इस्पा भायर वयतले माय हें कोणाक हा
तू स्पीकराकडे उलय.
अरे हांव स्पिकरा कडेन उलयता हांव एअर हॉस्टेसा उलयता स्पीकर सर जे आज टुरिझमाचे जेन्ना उलयतना आज ज्या पद्दतीन टुरिझम इज द बॅकबोन ऑफ द स्टेट्स इकॉनॉमी आणि गोंयची एक ग्लोबल आयडेंटिटी येट despite natural advantages we are not in a comfortable position we are not able to attract international tourists आज एक deficiency झालेली असा this has weakened our competitiveness आणि एक low term sustainability हांव कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर today Goa is being viewed as very narrowly as casinos as nightlife आमची जी heritage आहा आमचे जे दायज आहा आमचे इकॉलॉजी आमचे hinterland tourism this remains under marketed. As there is a rising concern. When I say rising concern about safety, about congestion, about harassment of tourists, yes, सगळे जरी तर चोयल्यार एक unified long-term branding strategy in the tourism department is lacking. As what is seen in Goa, because sir, jet tourists येता, they come for a short stay, they look at it as an entertainment destination rather than the high value मल्टी एक्सपिरियन्स डेस्टिनेशन हे हांव टुरिझमाच्या डिमांडाच्या वेळार उलयतलो आज स्पीकर सर आतां मेन येता ऑन द ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्टर टुडे स्पीकर सर द ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्टर सिम्स टू बी द मोस्ट neglected segment in Goa. Why I say that, Speaker sir, and I say it with responsibility, because the pressure on the transport and rising infrastructure is collapsing. आज you look at the population growth, you look at the influx, you look at the urbanization due to internal migration and the load on domestic arrivals. आज public transport padha, je basyo ha, this does not seem to receive any attention from the government. There is absolutely no vision when it comes to public transport. Because it is an essential service, but this remains to be one of the most neglected service. Goa taxi policy जी आम्ही कालच्या दिसाक उलयले कालच्या दिसाक आमकां कांय मिटिंगी आपोवंक ना एग्रिगेटर पूण आज कालच्या दिसाक चयल्यार स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा टॅक्सी भावांनी की आमी थिंगा झगडोंकूच ना म्हणून they have said that if they have to come to a dialogue or any sort of a thing reality should be focused आमकां कित्याक आपोवंक नाशिल्लें स्पीकर सर आणि आम्ही कालच्या दिसाक सांगला की ही पॉलिसी जी पड मुख्यमंत्रीन आमकां उतर दिलेलें आहा की दिस टॅक्सी एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी विल बी स्क्रॅप्ड स्पीकर सर आज रोड एक्सिडंट ज्या पद्दतीन गोंयांत जाता प्रत्येक दिसाक 3 मेजर एक्सिडंट 1 ते 2 दीस स्पीकर सर लोक मरता ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट हॅव यू बिकम इम्यून हॅव यू बिकम इनएफिशियंट टू एक्सिडंट्स खास करून deaths on roads. Goa is become a death capital when it comes to road transport. Kitle accident jata. This is in record. We are one of the highest in the country. Speaker sir, आज जे एक रोजी पिक्चर आहा. आज की सांगू याला? त्या स्पीकर एड्रेस को मत आयकपा जाय म्हणतो तेगे आयकता मुख्यमंत्रीले मातशें राव हय रोजी पिक्चर बरें सांगता येता स्पीकर सर इफ यू लुक एट दी रोजी पिक्चर इनसाइड आणि एक रॉकी रियलिटी आउटसाइड हे सोरी जर सांगल्या स्पीकर सर आज ज्या पद्दतीन स्टेबल एम्प्लॉयमेंटाक गोंयकार ज्या पद्दतीन झुजता गॅरंटी ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट येना एक युवक जेन्ना जनरल डिग्री इन हँड और अ टेक्निकल डिग्री इज नॉट अश्योर्ड ऑफ अ जॉब स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स बाब दिगंबर ज्या भाशेन सांगतालो चोणेकार आणि फुलकार आणि हेंका कांयच ना या सरकाराक एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग. फार्मर्स, फिशर folk face rising input costs. आज ज्या पद्धतीन स्पीकर सर या सरकाराक ज्या communities need financial support, marketing infrastructure, not given. Essential commodities हे वाडत आसा. Inflation या सरकाराक जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री हांव सांगपाक सोदता तुका एक मेडल दिल्या इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे रिपोर्टान आनी सिंगल इंजिनान वयल्या इंजिनान गोवा ranks third in the rate of inflation among all the states in the country. It's because tribals today are agitating for their land of their rights. They are struggling. Speaker sir, women and children are unsafe. The number of murders, rapes, this is not, I'm not just saying because this is not an election speech, but this is what the records show. Dacoity, murders, robbers, robberies, Speaker sir, आज गोयांत gambling, drugs, prostitution, this is eroding the name of the Goan community. हेजेर म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्रीची जबाबदारी जाता एज होम मिनिस्टर ही नीड्स टू लुक इनटू इट. स्पीकर साहेब कितले आमी इव्हेंट केले, कितले गोवा प्रमोट करपाक लागले. दी रियल इश्यू इज आज जे फॅमिली घेऊन टुरिस्ट येताले, आज जे ब्रिटीश टुरिस्ट जे गोंयांत येताले हे उणे जालेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, if we look now on the fiscal discipline and bindas borrowing of the chief minister, रीण वाढवत आसा. Interest payments today are eating into the development expenditure, means the percentage is every year increasing. आज ओ सरकार ज्या पद्धतीन रीण घेता without strengthening revenue tomorrow is pushing the burden on future generations. Very simple formula, Speaker sir. 10 years back, जरी तो 16,000 odd कोटी रुपया रीण आशिल्ले, आज 35,000 कोटी रुपया पावलेले आसा. This is not done by the Congress government. This is done by this government. I know that Chief Minister will say very selectively, government is a continuous process म्हणून. पण स्पीकर सर आज जरी तर आम्ही चोयल्या आनीक जे रीपेमेंट जे टार्गेटेड डेट टू GSTP रेशियो जे पट उलयला 5 वर्सां जाली. स्पीकर सर 5 वर्सां जाली FRBMचे वायलेशन जाता. ही अग्रीड यस्टरडे.
फाटल्या 5 वर्सांक आमी तेच रेट पावयला काँग्रेसीन घेवन दवरलेले ते आनी आतां मागीर सुरू जाला ते.
काँग्रेसी टायम 2012 चोय कितले आशिल्ले ते सगळे तू काँग्रेसी दिसत मरे कांय दिसना. काँग्रेसी भायर बोर भियला मात तू काँग्रेसीक. स्पीकर सर आज जेन्ना we talk about 24 to 29, this is pointed out and very specifically to the Chief Minister, I would ask him to speak on this. You have to pay principal and interest amounting to 16,850 crores. Speaker sir, 29-30 या वर्साक the state government will have to pay 16,912 crores. म्हणजे 1,922 कोटी रुपया इंटरेस्ट. आज स्पीकर सर इंटरेस्ट जरी तर आम्ही चोयल्या ड्युरिंग युअर टेन्युअर 1920 हे आशिल्ले 1,460 कोटी रुपया. हे आज 23-24 जाला 1,890 कोटी रुपया वाढिल्ले आसा. स्पीकर सर, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ रेकलेस irresponsible management of public finances. Because I say, o सरकार क्रीम खावपाक सोदता, o सरकार केक खावपाक सोदता, आणि o सरकार आता पिठूय खावपाक सोदता. Speaker sir, this is nothing but bad, this is immoral and this is wicked. Speaker sir, this is absolutely no thought of any debt management in this government. This is putting all the future in peril. Speaker sir, RBI कितें सांगला? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, state finances, a study of budget 25-26. This RBI has pegged Goa's liabilities at 35,608 crores. Munche Speaker sir, they have cautioned factors as with geopolitical uncertainty, with persistent high debt levels, a cash transfer scheme, these pose growing risk to the state finances. Speaker sir, 27 या सरकारान 11 1370 कोटी रुपया over the next 5 years. Speaker sir, these are not small numbers. Major of this is to basically service the loan. When I say against the loans, Speaker sir, liabilities apart from the state development loans, any internal debt. Strangely, Speaker sir, in this fiscal year, या वर्साक, Speaker sir, the state will have to pay 5,320 कोटी रुपया, म्हणजे 4,000 कोटी रुपया on interest on SDLs आणि 1,320 कोटी रुपया on the maturity of government securities. But Speaker sir, या सरकाराक पडोंक ना, रीण घेयत आसा. The RBI has asked the state, advised the state ki alternative borrowing market through fiscal consolidation arrangement kara. Explore alternative financing options. Speaker sir, आज ये सगळे जरी तर आमी रिणाचे चोयल्यार, as expected, Speaker sir, this government is just wasting money on events. As I said, 677 crores since 2022. That means 46 lakhs per day, 13 crore event. When the Prime Minister comes for Goa Vikasit Bharat, 13 crores for Wana means 22 lakhs per minute. Speaker sir, ये event बंद जावपाक जाय. There has to be, and सगळे most ये event post facto. Why post facto? Can't there be a calendar year? Can't there be, you all don't have a calendar year of events? Major of these events, Speaker sir, are post facto. Other Speaker sir, जे grant in aid system असता, जे grant in aid, जे I guess too, regarding grant in aid, now Speaker sir, specifically, expenditure that is relating to grant in aid, they have said that it should be classified as revenue expenditure. But Sarkar kine gota Speaker sir, even if it involves creation of assets, but this has not been followed by this government. They do not follow it. Aaj, je grant in aid asa, they are parking it in saving accounts. Saving accounts munche private banks, commercial banks, instead of using it for the intended projects. There is utilization certificate. When I talk about utilization certificate, kalcha disak, मुख्यमंत्री म्हणूक लागलो, विरेशानूय काढलो, इशू हो, इंटरडिपार्टमेंटलान कोतले म्हणून. जोड 12,000 युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेटाचेर सीएजीन क्वेरी काढलेली आसा. 12,000 जोड 3,500 कोटी रुपयाचे जे स्पीकर स्टॅगरिंग अमाउंट. It is in the fitness of things that the Honorable Chief Minister should clarify on the issues that we have taken. आज जोरीतोर चोयल्यार minimum expectations ignored आणि maximum headlines drum. हे कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर? No roadmap for employment, for unemployment, no structural support for medium industries. आज strong measures that were required to protect our environment, आमचे पर्यावरण, आमचे दोंगर, जे रिवर्स जाता, जे पोल्यूशन जाता, आज हेजेर कांयच मुखेलमंत्री उलोवंक ना. नो डील फॉर IT सेक्टर. आज पब्लिक ट्रान्सपोर्ट एनर्जाइज करपाक नथिंग न्यू. ऑल द सेम ओल्ड पॉलिसीज. स्पीकर सर, हेल्थान, हॉस्पिटलान दोतोर नाय, कितले तुमकांय फोन कोत्ता. ही प्रथा बरी जेन्ना आमदारांक रातच्या उठयता आनी सांगता बेड ना म्हणून. एंटीबायोटीक सगळे व्हीलचेराचेर दिता, जमनीचेर ट्रीटमेंट जाता. इज दिस करेक्ट? द टर्शरी हॉस्पिटल ऑफ आज, इज दिस हाऊ वी ट्रीट पेशंट्स? Speaker sir, there is also revenue, खास करून GST revenue, that CAG has pointed out because of the leakage through lack of oversight. आज idle equipment lying in GMC for 12 to 36 months, म्हणजे 1 वर्स ते 3 वर्सां हे equipment हाडून थिंगा कुसोइन दवरलेले आसा. It was not installed because lack of site readiness, and the remaining was unutilized, Speaker sir, because they failed to basically hire technicians to operate them. Speaker sir, very, very important, defalcation cases and misappropriation. Speaker sir, 52 pending cases. Eje sarkar uloina. When I say 52 pending cases Speaker sir. 10 वर्सां जाली. These cases are pending. This indicates the will to prosecute these corrupt officials. Speaker sir, excise department and जे liquor production jata, audit has found that there were distilleries that have reported lower production than the raw material consumed. So many cases. ये जेन्ना सोरो या borderland भायर वयता. If there is no political patronage, how can this happen, Speaker sir? This has led to loss of crores of rupees when it comes to this leakage. आज, Speaker sir, chronic failure with regards to releasing finance commission grants. Technically, the central government jenna grant release kotta, within 15 days, it is the duty of the government to release it to panchayats, to urban development, to municipalities. That is not happening. Shortfall in the medicine sector. 35% of medicines were out of stock for more than 3 months to a year. This is are all not my findings. There are findings, genuine findings by KEG. Speaker, I can keep on reading about the idle, unutilized plots, wastage of medicines, expiry date medicines crossed. But Speaker, I'm drawing to mention a few. आज मुख्यमंत्रीचे म्हाका दिसता assurance आमकां जाय जे all these will be proposed action will fix responsibility. तेणे सांगला utilization certificateाचेर डिपार्टमेंटाक before March दितलो म्हणून, before 31st March. Speaker sir, आनी एक जे important मुद्दो. When I talk about this, it is about the linkage of the double engine Sarkar. Speaker sir, when we talk about central budget, now the Goa government was hopeful कि एक revision जातले in the center state funding pattern, CSS. From the existing 60-40 ratio, the Goa government felt that it would be more favorable for it to be 90:10. This did not happen. The government of Goa quoted or cited unique ecological constraints on the state of Goa, but all of this was ignored by the Union Finance Minister. Speaker sir, if we look, I say with deep regret, the central government is looking at Goa as their colony. Why I say that, Speaker sir? First, प्रयत्न जाला की गोयांत कोळसो हाडपाचो, make Goa a coal hub. The crony capitalists get this benefit, destroy Goa by diverting River Madhai. आमचे land bankers जी land हा reckless sale जाता, hand it over to other parties. Speaker sir, आज गोयांत that was a pious land has been converted into casinos, into gambling. Goinkar, आज jenna there are threats of the Dabolim airport also there could be a closure. Speaker sir, looks like the central engine has disconnected from this particular Goa engine. हे डबल इंजिन आणि उरूंक ना. आज आमची अस्मिताय, आमची जी एक परंपरा हा, आमची आयडेंटिटी जी पडे हा. हिंदूज सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस आणि क्रिस्तांव भाव चवथी सगळेगेर वयता. आणि दोनूय क्रिस्तांव आणि हिंदू मुस्लिम भावा बरे गोंयकारपण राखपाक ईदाक वता. पूण आज आमची हार्मनी पाड करपाचे थोडेशे नॉन स्टेट एक्टर गोंयांत येता आणि हांकां कोण सपोर्ट करता? म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर, गोवा मीन्स सेक्युलरिझम, गोवा मीन्स युनिटी. हे म्हाका दिसता एक कोर्स करेक्शन करपाक मुखेलमंत्रीन कांयच उल्लेख करूंक ना. स्पीकर सर, the budget should have sent a clear signal that Goa is not a real estate opportunity. When I say that, Speaker sir, the elders within all the families here, they protected Goa. Today, we have to prioritize first home. एक गोयन concept हा about second home. We have to say no to the second home, Speaker sir. First home गोंयकाराचे आमी prioritize करपाक जाय. जे दिल्लीचे येता, दुसरे येता, in the name of pollution, they should not be given priority, Speaker sir. Priority aspak jaye about Goa, about Goinkar. Goinkar is a location, Goa is a location where culture and this pious reside. And Goinche dies, हीच आमची ओळख, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, budget should have taken, Kabrar Baba, you वयता उलयन वयता. Speaker sir, the budget should have corrected the track of the economy. When we say the track of the economy, the track of the economy is diverted to drugs, to gambling. Speaker sir, no other state in the country today are promoting casinos, but this government seems like they are the engine and the engineers of development. Speaker sir, on one side we are promoting Goa, promoting a lot of spiritual tourism, and on the other side you see in Panjim city, what do we see, Speaker sir? Is this not a joke? Whom are we fooling? Aaj, Speaker sir, jenna reckless concretization zata, jenna real estate investment, no doubt that they are welcome, but unplanned concretization, Speaker sir, हे फक्त आमचे मुखार जनरेशनाक जे गोंयकाराक तुय मान्य करतलो. There is pressure on public services. आज there is pressure on public roads, on road congestion, flooding is happening during rains, air pollution, slum waste accumulation. हे सगळे स्पीकर सर वाडवत आसा. उदकाचे शॉर्टेज वयता थिंगा उदक जो सरकार 24/7 दिवपाक सोदतालो, बाब सुदीन ढवळीकराचे लक्ष आशिल्ले 24/7 दिवपाक, माई बाब निलेश काब्रालाचे लक्ष जाले 8 वरां दिवपाक, मुखेलमंत्रीचे माई गेलते वर्सा लक्ष जाले 4 वर दिवपाक. आता बाब सुभाष फळदेसायचे लक्ष किती हा ते म्हाका दिसता डिमांड्स आमकां कोट्टले, पूण सद्या गोंयांत जरी तो लक्ष चयल्यार 1 वर पासून सारकें उदक येना. स्पीकर सर, हे सगळें जरी तर चयल्यार एंड दी एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट म्हणून आमकां बजेटा फुडें प्रॉमिस दिलेलें आसा आनी तितून अश्युरन्स कितें दिलेलें आसा स्पीकर सर? 643 अश्युरन्स आशिल्ली. 640 म्हणटाय ते दी अश्युरन्स हॅव बीन इदर कंप्लिटेड or initiated. म्हणजे 99% आमगेलो मुखेलमंत्रीली स्ट्राइक रेट, 99.53% टेस्ट मॅचा स्ट्राइक रेट, नॉट 2020. टेस्ट मॅचा स्ट्राइक रेट तेगेली 99.53%. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर, पयलो बूक चयल्यार अरे हांवें म्हळें पयली पेज चयल्यार 640 अश्युरन्स कंप्लीट जाली, इनिशिएट जाली. मुखार मागीर चयल्यार खालुसार पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर घालो. दीस वॉज लायक एक बरें एक दुकान अशें. दुकानान स्पीकर सर भायल्या 80% सेल म्हूण जेन्ना घाता सगळे घुसताय भितर. चयल्यार भायल्या भितर थोडे आयटम दवरलेले आसता. तितून स्पीकर सर वेन वी लुक्ड, this delivery or this assurance was masked and put in the wrapper. I say put in the wrapper because this was marked as initiated, project proposal prepared, proposal file moved, tender floated, issued a circular, DPR prepare korpachi asa. Speaker sir, why are lies being spread? We need to give a proper assessment to the people and the government. This Department of Planning, Speaker sir, the objective, last year planning and statistics म्हणूंक लागले दोन्ही ऑब्झर्वेटरी टावर ब्रिज रेडी आसा. कितले प्रोजेक्ट एक आमदाराच्या मतदारसंघात इनकम्प्लीट आहे, स्टार्ट पासून चालना, ते कंप्लीट म्हणून दाखवून दिलेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ ब्रीच and you should initiate an inquiry. Every time this action taken report that is been given, this action taken report, whether it is actually looked, checked, or these are just figures. I believe that the Chief Secretary should tell the Planning and Statistics Department Director, जो पड तुम extension दिवपा पावना, 3 वर्सां जाली. All fake assurances. Speaker sir, police infrastructure and delays. आता हेजेर रिवील केलेले आसा की मायना कुर्तोरीम पुलीस स्टेशन बिल्डिंग इज ओनली 10% कंप्लीट. कोस्टल पुलीस सेक्युरिटी एट तालपोणा ओनली 30%. चांदोर म्हज्या गांवांत हे फक्त स्टार्ट जाला, प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जाला. स्पीकर सर, these are not luxury projects, these are basic policing facilities. आज स्पीकर सर कितलेशे मेनी मोर जे गेल त्या वर्साक आमकां सांगलेले GMC expansion projects, TB and chest hospital block, हेजे टेंडरिंग अजून जावंक ना. Modern blood bank, revised approval pending. क्रिटिकल केअर हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे लाईक ट्रॉमा सेंटर्स खूप खूप गरजेचे ज्या पद्धतीने लोक मरता. ओनली प्रपोजल इज सबमिटेड. Satellite OPDs, last budget it was promised. In Kankon, in Kurchure, in Penne, day care centers, in both the districts, they say only space is identified. Because Magadista, the problem with this ATR is not just that the projects are delay kelele ha. These delays can happen, no doubt about it. But the real problem is how is the government, how is the chief minister presenting these delays as success? How can you call this success? Speaker sir, in the last budget, Mukhel Mantri spoke about Goa Happiness Index under the social welfare. But in this budget, Speaker sir, the matter is turned to planning and statistics. I don't know what is happening. Last time he put happiness index in social welfare department. This time he says it is under planning and statistics. Because एक लक्षान आमी सगळ्यांनी दवरपाक जाय, गोंयकाराचे हॅपीनेस इंडेक्स वाडटा म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा, पूण फ्रस्ट्रेशन इंडेक्सूय वाडलेले आसा. लोक खूब खूब फ्रस्ट्रेट जालेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, there is fear, there is frustration also in the people of Goa. But in every part of the state today, why? We see agitations, we see protests. Protesters are visiting the gallery of the assembly as well. Government has turned a blind eye. They are looking at it being deaf, insensitive of the protest of the people. Speaker sir, this is the bell, this is the Gantt of 2027. Goa's happiness index, Speaker sir, cannot just be measured from the per capita income that is stated in this document. Speaker sir, it is governed by equal environmental protection. Goa has got natural gifts and we need to protect our environment. We need to stop. Stop means a full stop to any further alienation of lands. आमची social and communal harmony आमी राखपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, सरकार म्हणटा सरकार तुमच्या दारी, पूण वयता थिंगा लोक म्हणटा सरकारान आमकां केला भिकारी. ज्या पद्धतीन स्पीकर सर, the government itself today is admitting that the failure of public administration when you are going again all across to settle people's grievances through this window system. This is an election stunt. Equally, this is an opportunity to spend crores of rupees on events. Speaker sir, my Mukhel Mantri म्हणटा सगळे तुवें सारकी कातोरबाजी करपा आयिल्लो का म्हणून तुमकां प्रेजूय करता. Praise for, first of all, as I said, Staff Selection Commission. Last year also I praised it. I praise the government for the extended DDSY. The schemes to augment drinking water, Jai Bab Subhash Paldesaiच्या खात्यान जे drinking water augmentation, it is a positive step. Matgram School, एक school complex जे मडगांव जे बांदपाक सोदता is a positive thing. Strengthening of the oncology services. Cancer patient, more than 30-40% are sent to private hospitals because proper doctors are not there, because there is no proper equipment. This is strengthening of oncology is required, but whether these promises are only on paper. Speaker sir, I have reservations on the PPP that is announced by the Chief Minister. PPP म्हणजे पाड पडिल्ले project. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर, ह्या सरकारान they should not use these as a mode of transfer. आज जेन्ना म्हणटा की dilapidated जे old building आहा ते in the name of redevelopment private partyकान दिनाका. ऑलरेडी दिला जाल्यार सांगा, भटा बी खबर आसत, दिलेले आहाय जाल्यार पयले आमकां सांगा दिले जाल्यार, आनी दिवन आतां अरेंजमेंट कोता तेय सांगा. स्पीकर सर, if you look at all this, no mention on 39A in the budget speech. Today, this is one of the most burning issues outside the house. Inside the house, Speaker sir, there is no mention. Complete snub. Mukhel Mantri सारको ओगो बसून आहा. Is this the rejection from the Chief Minister? Speaker sir, on the TCP he spoke about 5 lines. Only 5 lines. What do we call this, Speaker sir? Smart politics? Do we call this Chanakya Niti by the Chief Minister? Do we call this as arrogance or indifference? Because, or is there little of everything? The Chief Minister needs to understand, give a clarification. I congratulate the government for basically 25 crores you have planned to pay a plot at Ayodhya. I congratulate you. But on the other side, if you look, Speaker sir, what Sarkar, लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर लँड ₹12.5 तीवी भायल्या मनशाक दिता. अरे 25 कोटीन आमी घेता बरी गोष्ट आसा. बट ₹12.5 पर स्क्वेअर मीटरान तुम्ही लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मीटर अंडर प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी दिता. व्हॉट इज द लॉजिक स्पीकर सर? आज जेन्ना I am drawing the attention of the Chief Minister of the कर्तव्य काळ म्हणून तेणे 24-25 या बजेटान उतर दिलेले. आणि म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीचे कर्तव्य जाता तो 100 कर्तव्य मुखेलमंत्रीन करपाक जाय. पहिले फ्री बंदोबीज ऑफ द कसिनो. डोंट ड्रॅग द काँग्रेस पार्टी. तेका जेन्ना प्रधानमंत्रीचे उलयता तो पंडित नेहरूचे उलयता. प्लीज डोंट डू इट. Government is a continuous process. You have the right. Speaker sir, दुसरे आमची शेतां, आमचे जे फॉरेस्ट आहा, वायल्ड लायफ आहा, एनवायरमेंट आहा, तेजे राखण कर. हे तुझे दुसरे कर्तव्य जाता. जे withdraw the appeal in the Supreme Court challenging the High Court order on Tiger Reserve. Right from day one when we asked if this Tiger Reserve is notified, is Madai safe? None of the ministers answered. Everyone knows the answer. And the government itself has given an affidavit in the year 2018 that these apex predators that are there in the forest are there in large numbers. Today, for convenience, they are changing and giving another affidavit. आज ते हांव घेवपाक आशिल्लो, प्रश्न येयल्लो, सवा आशिल्लो. स्पीकर सर, तिसरें कर्तव्य या सरकाराचे जाता to prohibit land alienation, land conversion and the change in use. This needs to stop. चौथे कर्तव्य स्पीकर सर मुखेलमंत्रीचे जाता की दाबोली तुम्ही राखपाक जाय. दाबोली needs a सुरक्षा कवच. मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां assurance दिवपाक जाय. पांचवे कर्तव्य जाता is we cannot compromise on Madai. कालच्या दिसाक न्यूजपेपराक आयला की कर्नाटका is become more aggressive. They've taken generators and everything. They've started diverting Madai at all. But Speaker sir, will the Chief Minister intervene? Will the center resolve this issue? Madai आमची आवय म्हूण जायना Speaker sir. आज आमी just saying today is not believing. And the actions have to be more important than words. आमचे कर्तव्य जाता. Otherwise as legislators we will fail. सोवे कर्तव्य स्पीकर सर की initiate and commence and time bound plan for the redemption of public debt. The way we are heading 35,000 crores. Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री हांव सांगपाक सोदता, आयकत आसतलो आनी आयकत मूं समजता आनी तोय कितें उलयतलो मूं म्हाका खबर आसा. मुखेलमंत्रीक ये सुषमा स्वराजान म्हणिल्ले, तू इधर उधर की ना बात कर, तू इधर उधर की ना बात कर, ये बता कि काफिला क्यों लूटा, मुझे रह जानो से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबारी का सवाल है. स्पीकर सर, आज we should stop beating around the bush and tell me why the caravan was looted. I have no complaint against the robbers. But the question is regarding your leadership. Speaker sir, at the end, Damintia. अरे 4:30 को येल्ले मरे आमी. तू चाव पियो ना? Speaker sir, I'd like to wish this on a deeply personal note. This budget will be possibly the last assembly. We are all aware of that. I stand here humbled and grateful to the people of Goa that I got an opportunity, responsibility of serving as the leader of opposition in this house, possibly one of the youngest. But Speaker sir, this honor is not just political, but is also profoundly personal. Why I say that, Speaker sir? When I enter a room and I know that my name is announced, it's not the first name that causes reaction. Speaker sir, I see raised eyebrows and I see whispers from all corners of the rooms. But Speaker sir, I know there are conversations that follow. But Speaker sir, to be very frank, to be very honest, I would like to tell these members that I have never run away from that name. And I never will. Speaker sir, because there is nothing to run away from. Speaker sir, my family has always fought. Like footballers on a difficult field, nothing came easy to us. Every inch was earned. Every victory was battled for. And it is because of with the blessings of God that I found strength to ignore these whispers. Yes, Speaker sir, I have worked, I have struggled. Yes, there have been sleepless nights, not only to protect the dignity of this chair, Speaker sir, but also to respect the name that I carry. Speaker sir, because leader of opposition as a position, it is a responsibility, it is a crown full of thorns. This chair has been occupied by Dudurjak Sikher, Kashinath Jalmi, Ravi Naik, Wilfred D'Souza, Manohar Parrikar, Digambar Kamath, Ramakant Khalap. And yes, these are not small shoes to fill. But Speaker sir, as politicians often mistake and advertise achievements, I can say this with an open heart. I made an honest, sincere effort to be the leader of opposition. Yes, many question me. 7 janacho leader of opposition. On the other side, you see the BJP that celebrates majority of 33 as their own, more than 80% in this house. But Speaker sir, let me be very honest. Being proud of such a majority today is like being proud of inherited stolen armor that was never forged in your fire. It was never there, supposed to be there. Speaker sir, Ami, Jenna chemistry in Veda, there is something known as the pH test. The pH test. And it tells us whether a solution is acidic or basic. A test ami chemistry in kelele asa. If I was to conduct a pH test of this assembly today, Speaker sir, except here, pH means political hierarchy. A large number of members would test positive for something called as the Congress solution. Speaker sir, very interesting. Speaker sir, which brings us to a very simple question. In politics today, is it driven by gratitude or by greed? A party that laid your foundation, a party that gave you relevance, a party that saw leadership in you, a party whose ideology you embraced in temples, in churches, in mosques, you abandon that party. Speaker sir, not for ideology, not for principle, but for convenience. Speaker sir, this is not political migration. This is political amnesia. Speaker sir, today there are only 3 maybe of Congress MLAs in the House, but the opposition today are strong, our morality is strong, our conscience is strong, and this mandate given by the people, Speaker sir, if we look at it, yes, we are the underdogs. Yes, we have no resources compared to the ruling party, but we are no match up to the machinery. 2-3 minute का बात
1 मिनट का खबर
3 minute का बात. What we process and possess abundantly is intent. We have the intent, Speaker sir, a fierce, uncompromising intent, Speaker sir, because whatever status we have today is because we are MLAs, our Mankul and Goy, this sacred land that is described today, Speaker sir, as a land of confluences. This is a land truly worth fighting for. पण लोकांमध्ये हे झाला की बाबू आसगांवकर कितें म्हणटालो भायल्या म्हणटा आज लोकांमध्ये एक उलयता की आमदार एरिगंट जालेले आसा ग्रीडी जालेले आसा शेमलेस जालेले आसा. We have been invoking God not in faith, but we have been invoking God in political commentary. This is not strength, Speaker sir. This is the lowest point of Goa's polity. And when I say that, Speaker sir, You look at the disturbing pattern that we go across the state of Goa. A lot of people coming from outside state, kings are being appointed, kingdoms are being created. Speaker sir, Anda Kanun is marketed as development. Don't page cover. Speaker sir, this is not a developmental model. Let me be very clear. 100 वर्साची लिबिया बाय सरदेसाई, freedom fighter, भायर सोत्ता आणि म्हणटा, she is fighting for the casinos. Not, is this democracy? Speaker sir, tribals are striking for weeks to protect their livelihood. Is this democracy? A 32-year-old Viresh Borkar as an MLA is fasting unto death to protect the land. Is this democracy? Speaker sir, local representatives are jailed. If we drive through rural Goa today, and in Goan Zorizorami Gelar, you do not need consultants. You need only eyes. This part. There is more concrete than soil. Sudin Bab agree Gotama. There is more transactions than traditions. There is more alienation than identity. Land and zage is not just our property. Don't mean that. Land, speaker sir, is our identity. If you sell, if you sell the land, you sell Goa. And this is not about 2026. This is about 36, 46 and 56. Ami Goenkar koshe, Bahujan, amche tribal, amche youth, amche senior citizen, Mundkar, Shetkar, ani Goenkar protect korpak jai. Before I conclude, a last, allow me a personal memory, speaker sir. And mujha burgepanan, when we used to go to the beach, and my family used to take us, and I remember when we used to go to swim, especially during monsoons. And त्या वेळार doiro rough ashilo, when the sea was rough. One day I was frightened, and I was frightened because the waves were violent, the rain was relentless, and I shouted to my dad that I am drowning. And he, in his typical stern at that time, told me something that never left my mind. Speaker sir, moja bapain sangle maka ki the nature of the sea is such that the tide will always change. So keep floating. Speaker sir, the tide changed and the sea itself carried me back to the shore. All I had to do is keep floating. And today, as I end, Speaker sir, I stand here to my party, to my colleagues and to the people of Goa. I will say that one day the tide will change. And when that does, history will remember who stood firm and who drifted away. Thank you, Speaker sir.